Hello everyone. Welcome to Nexa Fix Tech. Is Stremio opening normally, but your streams just won't load? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple fixes that can get Stremio streams working again. Fix 1. Restart Stremio. Completely close Stremio, remove it from your recent apps, and open it again. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Fix 2. Check your internet. Open another streaming app or website and test your connection. If everything is slow, restart your router and reconnect your device. Fix 3. Clear Stremio cache. Go to your device's app settings, find Stremio, and clear its cache. Then reopen the app and test a stream. Fix 4. Check your add-ons. If streams aren't appearing at all, your installed add-ons could be the problem. Open the add-ons section and make sure the add-ons you rely on are still installed and functioning. Fix 5. Update Stremio. An outdated version can cause compatibility problems. Check for an available update and install the latest version for your device. Fix 6. Restart your device. Restart your Fire Stick, Android TV, phone, or computer. This can clear background processes that may be interfering with playback. Fix 7. Reinstall Stremio. If nothing else works, uninstall Stremio, restart your device, and install the current version again. This gives you a completely fresh installation. And that's it. Try these fixes in order, starting with the simplest ones. One of them should help identify what's preventing your streams from loading. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more streaming tips.